If you're running a faceless YouTube channel, it's crucial to know how to create AI avatars. In this video, I'll show you how you can do this for free, even using just your phone. You'll learn everything you need to know. Don't skip ahead. To start, open a browser on your phone or PC and head to leonardo.ai. I have a premium account, but one of the great features of Leonardo AI is that it gives you 150 free tokens to generate images. Let's move on to the image creation section. On the left, you'll see several presets to choose from, each offering different styles, and select the 16:9 aspect ratio. In the text box, type your prompt. You can find the exact prompt in the video description. Once you're ready, click Generate. I'll choose the one I like and hit the download button. This image will now be saved to your device. For animating your avatar, head over to DubDub.ai and upload the image. After the image uploads, I'll be uploading my own voiceover. Once it's uploaded, you can preview it if you'd like and hit Generate. After a few minutes, your animated avatar will be ready for preview. You can easily generate free AI avatars with this website, even using just your phone. Once the avatar is ready, click Download.
So if you made it this far, consider subscribing to the channel.
As you can see, so if you made it this far, consider subscribing to the channel.